everyone, Vincenzo here. In this video we're going to work on The Passenger by Iggy Pop, a very cool song that is super fun to play. This song works for beginners as well as for intermediate players, depending on the way you want to play it. If you are a beginner, you will find this song ideal, as it only requires 5 chords and it can even be simplified to 4. For intermediate players, this song is a great chance to focus on muted chords and to improve your timing. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate your help. If you want a one-to-one lesson to work on this song or anything else, remember I offer a free introductory online lesson. Check the link in the description or simply reach out to me. Having said that, let's now have a look at the chords that we will need for this song. A minor, F, C, G, and E. I am aware that the E is a tricky one for beginners. You don't necessarily need the index for this shape. In fact, you could do this. Remember not to play this string. You have to mute it or simply don't hit it. Let me show you an alternative shape as well. If you are still struggling with this, you can decide not to play the E. I will show you how in a bit. However, I recommend you work on it and you learn it. Now that we know all the chords for this song, let's work on the strumming pattern. A very easy strumming pattern for this song is this: down, up, down. Let's practice this on its own for a while. For now, I'm going to use an A minor chord. 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Let's try even slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. To make it sound even better, we can add an accent, which means to play a little bit louder on beat 2 and beat 4. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will use this pattern for each chord. Now let's work on the main chord sequence. 3, 4, A minor, F, C and G, A minor, F, C and G. Let's try a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, F, C and G, A minor, let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. As you can see, this is pretty easy. This chord sequence mostly alternates with this other one, A minor, F, C and E. Let's now practice this. 3, 4, A minor, F, C, E, A minor, F, C and E. Let's try slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, F, C, E, A minor, F, C, E. Now let's try together. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am the passenger. Get ready for the E. I look through the city backside. If you listen closely to the record, you will notice that sometimes they play the A minor, F, C and G chord sequence a couple of extra times. I would say not to worry about that. I have arranged the song so that the E is played every second time. But if you want to play it as it is on the record, I suggest you try to work that out yourself. This would be a very good exercise to improve your musicality. On the other hand, if you want to simplify it even more, you could just stick to the first chord progression, A minor, F, C and G, throughout the entire song, and it will sound fine. If you want to challenge yourself, or if you are an intermediate player, work on this strumming pattern. Again, it's muted, up, down, up, even slower. Muted, up, down, up. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the famous rhythm of the song, and it is one of the things that makes this song special. In order to play this well, we need to work on how to get the muted chord sound. When you hit the strings with your index, the palm of your hand needs to rest on the strings of the ukulele at the same time, like this. All the work comes from the right hand. But if you want, you can try and help yourself a little bit by also muting the strings of the ukulele with the left hand. Let's work on this pattern a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try slower. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work on the chord changes and on getting that driving rhythm going. Practice slowly and work towards the original tempo, which is 134 BPM. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. For a free lesson with me, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you later. Ciao!